You know that tight, swollen feeling in your stomach? The one that makes your favorite jeans suddenly feel 2 sizes too small? It often shows up uninvited after a meal, or sometimes it seems to pop up out of nowhere. For many people, it's not just an occasional inconvenience. It's a recurring challenge that affects how we eat, socialize, and even how confident we feel in our own bodies. In fact, nearly 1 in 5 people worldwide experience bloating at least once a week. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely in the right place. Now, you might have heard that bloating is just about eating too much. But what if the story's a bit more complicated than that? What if that uncomfortable pressure, and yeah, even the gas, was tied to things you might not expect? Like how well you slept last night, your stress levels, or even how you chew your food? Today, we're going beyond the usual surface-level advice. You're going to learn practical, real-world strategies that can help support your digestive comfort, naturally. This is about understanding your body on a deeper level, not chasing quick fixes. Let's get into it. Section 1. The why. Understanding the real reasons behind bloating. Before we dive into the strategies, it's important to know why bloating happens in the first place. Bloating isn't just about air. It's a complex symptom that can result from a mix of factors working together. Gas is a major player. This gas can come from swallowing air, called aerophagia, or from the natural fermentation process in your gut as bacteria break down certain foods. Things like eating too quickly, drinking through straws, or even chewing gum can cause you to swallow more air than you realize. Then, there are gas-producing foods. Beans, lentils, broccoli, and cabbage are all healthy, but can create more gas during digestion, especially if your gut bacteria aren't used to them. Fizzy drinks and artificial sweeteners in sugar-free products can also be common triggers. Food intolerances are another common culprit. Lactose, found in dairy, and gluten, found in wheat, barley, and rye, are common sensitivities. If your body struggles to break these down, it can lead to bloating and discomfort. This is where a food journal can really help you identify what works and what doesn't for your body. Constipation also plays a major role. When stool moves slowly through the colon, it can lead to backup, pressure, and trapped gas. Common causes include not enough fiber, too little water, and a lack of movement. And then there's your gut microbiome, the complex ecosystem of bacteria that lives in your digestive system. If this ecosystem gets thrown off, say by antibiotics, a restrictive diet, or chronic stress, it can affect how you digest food and how much gas your body produces. Speaking of stress, did you know that emotional tension can actually slow down digestion? It can also make you more sensitive to normal gut activity. That means even a little gas can feel like a lot. This is something we see often in people with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Hormonal changes, especially during menstrual cycles or menopause, can also contribute to water retention and bloating. Lastly, your eating habits matter. Overeating, eating too fast, or not chewing food well can overwhelm your digestive system and cause bloating too. So as you can see, bloating is rarely caused by just one thing. That's why we need a balanced, flexible approach to feel better. Section 2. The action plan. Natural strategies to manage bloating. Let's talk solutions. We'll break this down into 3 parts. Quick strategies for immediate comfort, diet upgrades for long-term gut support, and lifestyle habits to keep your digestion running smoothly. Part A. Quick relief strategies. Sometimes you need relief fast. These techniques won't solve everything overnight, but they can help ease discomfort in the moment. 1. Soothing herbal teas. Peppermint, ginger, and more peppermint tea can help relax digestive muscles and may ease gas movement, especially if you deal with occasional IBS symptoms. Ginger supports digestion and may help your stomach empty more efficiently. Other calming teas include fennel, chamomile, and anise, all known for their gentle support of digestive comfort. 2. Gentle movement and massage. Instead of lying down after eating, try a short, relaxing walk. Light physical activity helps stimulate digestion and may ease bloating. Yoga poses like child's pose or knee to chest can also be helpful. You can also gently massage your abdomen in a clockwise motion to support the movement of gas through your colon. 3. Over-the-counter support, use with caution. Occasionally, products like simethicone, found in Gas X, can help reduce gas bubbles. Enzyme supplements like alpha-galactosidase, BINO, may help break down certain carbs that trigger gas in sensitive individuals. However, it's important to use these sparingly and talk to your healthcare provider if you're using them often. Part B. Diet tweaks for long-term comfort. 1. Start a food and symptom diary. This is one of the most effective tools to figure out your personal triggers. Write down what you eat, how you feel afterward, and any symptoms you notice. Patterns will often emerge, sometimes in surprising places. 2. Identify common trigger foods and introduce slowly. Some common bloating triggers include fizzy drinks. Opt for still water or herbal teas. Sugar-free products with sorbitol, xylitol. Check labels and limit them. High-fiber foods like beans, lentils, broccoli. Cook them well and increase gradually. Dairy, if you're sensitive. Try lactose-free options or alternatives like oat or almond milk. 3. Eat smaller, slower meals. Large meals can overwhelm your digestive system. Try smaller, more frequent meals and chew thoroughly to give your gut less work. 4. Stay hydrated, but time it wisely. Drink enough water throughout the day to help prevent constipation and support digestion. Just avoid drinking large amounts during meals, which may dilute digestive enzymes. 5. Introduce gut-friendly foods, ginger and turmeric, digestion support, bananas and asparagus, help balance fluid and feed good bacteria, yogurt and kefir with live cultures, support a healthy gut microbiome, pineapple and papaya, contain natural enzymes that help break down protein part C, lifestyle habits to support a healthy gut. 1. Move regularly. Exercise is one of the most underrated digestive aids. Walking, yoga, or any movement helps stimulate your intestines and reduce the chance of gas buildup or constipation. 2. Reduce stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mood, it affects your gut. Deep breathing, mindfulness, journaling, or even spending time outside can help support digestive health. 3. Sleep better. Poor sleep can disrupt digestion. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night and stick to a consistent bedtime. 4. Focus on probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics =sign beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods and supplements. Prebiotics =sign non-digestible fibers that feed those good bacteria. Think garlic, onions, oats, and bananas. 5. Review medications with a doctor. Some medications, like antibiotics or NSAIDs, can affect your gut flora or cause digestive discomfort. Never stop a prescription on your own, but talk to your healthcare provider if you suspect a connection. Section 3. When to talk to your doctor. Most bloating is common and manageable, but in some cases it can signal something more serious. Please speak to a healthcare provider if your bloating is constant or unusually severe, accompanied by significant pain or weight loss, linked to major changes in your bowel habits, paired with fever, vomiting, or blood in your stool. Conditions like IBS, SIBO, celiac disease, or food allergies can't be diagnosed at home. Getting professional guidance ensures you get the right care. Managing bloating isn't about one magic food or one rule that works for everyone. It's about learning to listen to your body, finding your personal triggers, and making small, lasting changes. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 or 2 tips from today that stood out and start putting them into practice. Maybe it's taking a walk after lunch, slowing down your eating, or starting a food diary. You absolutely have the ability to support a happier, healthier gut. And that starts with paying attention, being consistent, and giving yourself some grace along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into gut health and whole body wellness. Got a bloating remedy or story that helped you? Share it in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Here's to a more comfortable, confident you.